Alex.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur egg fossil.
Dinosaur eggs. Jump down. Hey Alex, what do you have today? Dinosaur?
Dinosaur egg fossil.
Dinosaur eggs? Let's see what the front looks like. Show the kids. Turn around, kids can't see. Oh, we got chili putty dinosaur eggs. Got a blue one and a red one. Yep. Why don't you open it?
Okay.
Open it. Keep going.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. What's it?
See what's in there. I'm assuming it's silly putty. It's silly putty.
Silly
Let the kids see. Ooh,
Silly putty.
orange one.
Yeah. Ooze.
Ooze.
It's hard.
Ooh.
It's hard too.
Yeah.
Yeah. See my
Open
hand.
this one. See what color's inside. Need help? Do you need help? Let me see. Ooh, it's a blue one.
Yeah.
Blue chili putty.
Ew.
Cool.
Ew, that's awesome.
Awesome.
Oh.
Now let's play a construction with the silly putty, right? Whoa.
Whoa.
Stretchy.
Sharks.
Wow, it stretch far away, right?
It's so salty in my hand.
Yeah, it's stringy.
Inside? Inside.
Construction time. Ah,
And that blue one.
the blue one. The orange one.
Give me this review. Now with the red and blue.
Time to go to work. So, let me take this. Beep, beep, beep. Let's bring this to the construction site. Dump it off.
It's so sticky.
Dump it off.
Whoa, it's mine.
Roll it. Where's the roller? Here's the roller. It's so strong.
Yeah.
Silly putty is not good for construction.
It. Look. Beep, 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 beep.
I got my silly putty.
I don't catch this one.
Dozer's coming.
You know those.
I got it. Dump it in the bowl.
Not my bowl. You do bowl.
Oops, wrong one. Let me take it back. There you go.
My turn.
Did it.
Oh, that's.
Your turn.
That's. I want one. It's too heavy.
It's just heavy.
It's too heavy.
It's heavy. Kind of sticky, isn't it?
Ow.
Oh. Try again. Yeah. The dump truck is coming.
Water coming.
Beep, beep. I'm coming to pick it up. Onto my back.
One way.
Come on, Digger. Put it on my back. Yeah, come dig this silly putty. Put it on the back. Put both of them on my back. I could dump them in the garbage.
Look at her. It's too heavy.
Thanks, Dozer. Going.
Okay.
I gotta go. Gotta jump this silly putty right over here.